Hi YouTube friends. I'm JJ.
Courtney.
And
from
today
Melbourne.
we're gonna unbox our new Kmart toy. Okay, you can move the scissors back. So, silly Courtney and I bought 2 scooters today, but we forgot to tell them to cut the alarm off. I mean, deactivate the alarm. So now we're gonna deactivate ourselves.
Oh, Uncle, do you want to cut? Just about the right time.
We got scared, so we called old man to come and help. Oh, that's tiny. You can't turn it off. He bought a container, you put it in and close the lid. Run out.
Why do you need to put a tape?
To block the speakers. Am I supposed to narrate for you? Ah. And now we have 2. Wow, that one's louder. This is like some Harry Potter thing. We're catching bugs and put it into the container.
We need to give a warning message. Please do not copy my YouTube friends.
We promise we paid for them.
Boom. Yeah.
Whoa! No more sound.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I want to see your face. You need to stop watching it. Stop watching it. And stop laughing.
Okay. This is for when your boyfriend uses his phone too much in front of you.
We all need it.
Yeah. Oh! I have to build. Ooh, wow. It's like a mini IKEA shelf. Okay, it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 phones. Oh, it's there.
Oh my god, it's perfect.
We haven't finished playing.
You're not finished yet. I'll just watch TV.
We are like
Yeah.
little.
Probably your phone.
Yes, it works. We can still use our phones. Hey Siri. Ta-da! Open WhatsApp. Hey Siri. Send Courtney a text message.
What do you want to say?
Wow, you are silly.
Your message to Courtney says you are silly.
Hi
Ready to send
Siri. Send.
Okay, it's sent.
Let me call my Siri.
Jail's hack.
Hi Siri. Hi Siri. Hi Siri.
Your Siri doesn't work.
Hi Siri. Siri, I'm calling you. Hi Siri.
I don't understand. Hi Siri, Siri, I'm calling you. Hi Siri.
Siri, are you listening? Open my message. Send Jenny a message.
Must be your Chinese accent.
你好 Siri. Next item.
Lazy reader glasses. Wow. And Courtney's gonna try them on. To lie down.
Oh, I can't.
Yes?
Yeah? Oh,
1 second.
this is so good. I'm reading it. Phone jail. Directions. Step 1. This one has some degrees.
Dude, go straight. Turn around and show me your glasses. Wow. Wow. What kind of